Okay, now what we can do, the next step is basically we have to work on the reset part. So how can we how to write the logic for the reset? It is very simple. What you can do, again, you have to uh, write a function like on click function we have to write. Okay, on click, and in on click we have to define a function again, which is a reset function. Okay, so how can we define a reset function? Just we have to write reset here. Okay, so in the on click we have to write reset reset calculate okay, calculator. I'm just writing this a reset calculator function. Okay, so we have to define it also. So how can we do that? Just we have to go at the top, and then again const, and then this function name, and here what we can do, this anonymous, oh sorry, fat arrow function we have to define. And now simple thing we have to do, just set birth, because we are updating. After clicking on the reset button, we have to default value. We have to provide the default value, whatever the birth date is. Basically, this is the default value we have to provide. Okay. So initially, the set age value is 0. Okay. So we have to write set age value. Initially, we have 0th value. Okay. Now let's see our reset button is working fine or not. Okay. So how can we do that? Just we have to click on it and just let's see, check it if it is working fine or not. Okay, I'm writing 2023 here, and if I click on calculate age, okay, okay, I think we are getting some error here. So let's see, let's go to the console and let's find one, and here I'm providing 1 1, and if I click on okay 911, here is the value it is coming. If I click on reset, then this will also reset the value successfully. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to our channel. If you are getting any error, just compare the code with this GitHub account. I will already provide you the link and just compare the code with the GitHub account. Okay, and there are so many videos available on our channel. Just these are the React.js mini project series. Just watch each and every video here which is related to the use state and much more. Okay, there is a routing videos also available. So there are so many videos available for the React.js. So please, if you like this video, just like and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.